Friends, recently I witnessed the Independence Day parade in San Jose. It is called Rose, White and Blue Parade. Of course, a lot of Americans were participating in the celebration, but I saw a lot of Chinese people, a lot of Korean people, a lot of Japanese people, a lot of Colombian people, Brazilian people, and I was like, oh, the people who have origin in different countries are participating, and I being an Indian, I started looking for an Indian contingent. There was none to be found, and I was internally pretty sad. But then I met a community. I can't tell you how happy I became. Okay, let's have a look.
आप पहले इंडियन कॉन्टिजेंट हो. I'm so proud of.
Thank you. Thank you.
This community is amazing. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah? Happy Fourth. Happy Fourth, sir. Happy Fourth, sir. Happy Fourth. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
You are the first one in the line.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Thank you for doing this. Yeah. I was waiting. Koi to aaye. Koi. Okay. All right.
We do it every year.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Keep the flag flying high. Yes. You are our pride.